Hello, today we're going to be talking about copyright and creativity. So to begin, a good thing to remember about copyright is the overall purpose. So the overall purpose of copyright laws is to get credit for your work and to also ensure that you're giving credit and using other people's work. So something that's important is to, especially if you're at the elementary grade level, is to always teach to put your name on every source that you have, and also to always make sure that you're giving credit to other people's work when you're using other people's work. So another important thing about copyright is that you need to understand what copyright laws protect. So did you know that whenever you write a poem or even a story in your class or a drawing or other artwork, you automatically have copyright to it? So what this means is that you get to choose how public you want it, any changes you want to make, or any other ways you want it formatted. That is something that you get to choose. So that also means that anybody doing those sort of things to your work would actually be illegal without your permission. So another thing is that you have to remember what copyright laws do protect. So copyright laws protect your pictures, music, papers, artwork, sound, and much more. And what a concept that is important to know is called public domain, which the definition for that is a creative source that is not under any copyright and can be used by anyone. So if something is under public domain, it is not required that you use you cite your sources for it, even though you really still should. So the last thing we're going to talk about is explaining copyright issues and how kind of the history of it. So in the history's past, copyright did not always completely affect everyone, but now really anyone that's using, everyone has access to good sources of video and online content. So now it affects everyone. So it's just important to remember that everything that you create is usually under copyright laws. However, the things that aren't under copyright are different sorts of, I wrote them down, is facts, ideas, United States government documents are not covered by copyright laws, non-creative lists such as directory or phone numbers or grocery lists of ingredients, as well as just different fun facts and different things. So another cool thing that I think is great to wrap up with is actually all U.S. works published for 1923 are not under copyright. They're actually public domain, which is really interesting because it kind of just shows how far we've come, that now anything past that point is under copyright and we all have those rights to our work and to other people's work. So yeah, make sure you cite your sources.